Now that we learned about this reaction, let's talk about it a bit. Now, for the reaction to work, the water and the Alka-Seltzer combine to form carbon dioxide, which is the chemical reaction that is happening here. Now, the gas bubbles rise through the oil to carry the colored water, which is what produces the lava lamp. Now, when the chemical reaction slows, the carbon dioxide at the top bubbles pop, so only the water is left, which is less dense than the ice oil, so falls back down. Now, there are a lot of different indicators that a chemical reaction is happening. First, obviously, bubbles are being formed. And next, a new substance is being created in a chemical reaction, which is the CO2. And because the CO2 is being created, it can move through the colored water, which powers the reaction, which is why it happens. Now, the law of conservation applies to this because we know that in the chemical reaction, both sides are balanced, so we know neither matter is being created or destroyed in this, which is the law of conservation. And also, another thing you might want to know is that it's an endothermic reaction. It is an endothermic reaction because the gas bubbles are being formed, which is an indication of an endothermic reaction. Now, the substances involved in this reaction are as follows: water, food coloring, Alka-Seltzer, vegetable oil, and water. Water is a clear liquid and is a compound, with its chemical formula being H2O. The food coloring is also liquid, but is a red dot. But is a homogeneous mixture and red, and it's a homogeneous mixture because the dye and water in it are evenly mixed. Next is the Alka-Seltzer, which is a compound and is a white solid, as you can see here. Finally, vegetable oil, which makes up most of it, is also a homogeneous mixture and is a yellowish liquid.